Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing us how we can make our product, our services, our brand visible when known by ChatGPT. Firstly, let's go to Google and search for product discovery on ChatGPT and click on this particular link. Once you are there, it will show that you should log in first. So click on login for us to log in, then click on here. So click on login and then it will bring out where you can log in. Put your email and continue. Then put your password and continue. Then the OTP code will be sent to your email. Check the email, then inside the code. Then inside the code, and press continue. So once you log in, then we have to sign up so that we'll be able to put our details on the ChatGPT archive. So then we need to fill the then we are going to fill the form. Once you fill out the form, then click on submit. Wow, thanks for your application. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.